So this is the ESP32, and this is the flame sensor, and this is the color changing LED. So these three wires we have connected the digital pin, which is connected as a interrupt, and this has only two pins, so do not connect the middle wire. So this is the signal and this is the ground. The middle one is the VCC 3.3 volt, that white one is that ground, and this is the signal which goes to pin 16, and this is going on pin 5. So when we turn on a matchstick, this flame sensor will detect it, and this siren LED will turn on, and there is a siren sound also. So let's just see a demo. So as you see, that flame sensor has detected the so once the flame sensor detects the flame, it will turn on this LED for 5 seconds and turn on the buzzer. So this is our code, like when we click the green flag, that pin 16, it attaches a trigger, and when the trigger occurs, like it will turn on this LED, color changing LED, and start the fire alarm sound and broadcast a message. So once it receive a message, it will wait for 5 seconds and then turn off that siren LED and stop all sound.